Have you ever dreamt of a life filled with joy, love, and plenty? A life where every day feels like a blessing and every moment is cherished? Imagine a life where you have all you need and desire. A life where your dreams are not just dreams but your reality. That is abundance. It's not just about money but also about health, happiness, and love. It's about waking up with a smile and going to bed with a heart full of gratitude. Abundance is your birthright. The universe is naturally abundant. It provides us with everything we need to thrive and grow. Think of a garden. With sunshine and water, it flourishes. Just like a garden, you need the right conditions to thrive. You too can flourish with the right mindset and actions. By nurturing your mind and soul, you can create a life of abundance. You have the power within you to attract abundance. It's all about believing in yourself and taking the necessary steps. It all starts with your thoughts and beliefs. Positive thoughts and a strong belief in your potential can transform your life. What you focus on, you attract. By focusing on abundance, you invite it into your life. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to a life of abundance? To open the gate to a world filled with endless possibilities? Let's embark on this beautiful journey together. Together we can create a life of joy, love, and plenty. A life where abundance is not just a dream but a reality. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video for more content on attracting abundance and prosperity. The law of attraction is a powerful force in the universe. It is a principle that has been acknowledged and utilized by many successful individuals throughout history. It states that like attracts like. This means that the energy you emit through your thoughts, emotions, and actions will attract similar energy back to you. Think of a magnet. It attracts metal objects effortlessly, drawing them in with an invisible force. This is a simple yet powerful analogy for how the law of attraction works in our lives. In the same way, your thoughts and feelings attract similar experiences. When you focus on positive thoughts and emotions, you create a positive energy field around you. Positive thoughts attract positive outcomes. This can manifest in various aspects of your life, such as improved relationships, better health, and increased opportunities. Conversely, negative thoughts attract negative outcomes. Dwelling on fear, doubt, and negativity can lead to a cycle of undesirable experiences. It's that simple. What you focus your energy on, you bring into your reality. By consciously choosing your thoughts, you can shape your life's experiences. The great scientist Albert Einstein said, "Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions." This highlights the importance of visualizing and believing in the life you desire. Imagine your life filled with abundance. Feel it, believe it, and it will be yours. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you manifest your dreams. Start attracting abundance by shifting your thoughts to what you want to experience. Write down your goals, practice positive affirmations, and maintain a mindset of gratitude. Focus on joy, gratitude, and love. These high-vibration emotions will attract more of the same into your life, creating a cycle of positivity and fulfillment. Think of your thoughts as seeds. Each thought you have is like a tiny seed that has the potential to grow into something magnificent. Positive, abundant thoughts are like seeds of prosperity. They have the power to create a lush, thriving garden in the landscape of your mind. When you plant these seeds in your mind, you attract abundance into your life. It's like creating a fertile ground where prosperity can flourish. Start by identifying your limiting beliefs about money and abundance. Take a moment to reflect on the thoughts that hold you back. Do you believe that money is hard to come by, or that you don't deserve to be wealthy? These beliefs are like weeds in your garden. Replace these negative beliefs with positive affirmations. Uproot the weeds and plant new seeds of positivity and abundance. Say to yourself, "I am a money magnet," or "I am worthy of abundance." These affirmations are the new seeds you are planting. Repeat these affirmations daily with conviction. Water them with your belief and watch them grow. Remember, you reap what you sow. The effort you put into nurturing these positive thoughts will yield a bountiful harvest. Plant seeds of prosperity in your mind and watch your life transform. Just like a garden, your mind needs care and attention to flourish. Did you know that the human brain is wired to focus on the negative? It's called the negativity bias, but you can rewire your brain for positivity. Studies show that gratitude can increase your happiness and well-being. When you're grateful for what you have, you attract more to be grateful for. The happiest people are not those who have more, but those who appreciate what they have. Abundance is a state of mind, not a bank statement. Challenge yourself to find 3 things to be grateful for every day. You'll be amazed at how your perspective shifts. The power of I am. The 2 most powerful words in the English language are I am. What you say after these words creates your reality. When you say, I am abundant, you are sending a powerful message to the universe. You are declaring your worthiness of abundance. Use affirmations that resonate with you. For example, I am open to receiving abundance, or I am a money magnet. Repeat your affirmations daily with feeling and belief. The more you believe it, the faster it will manifest in your life. Mindfulness, tuning into abundance. Mindfulness is about being present at the moment. When your mind is racing with worries and anxieties, it's difficult to attract abundance. Practice mindfulness through meditation, deep breathing, or simply being present in your surroundings. Notice the beauty around you. When you're mindful, you become aware of your thoughts and feelings. You can then choose to focus on thoughts that serve you and attract abundance. Make mindfulness a daily practice. It will help you cultivate a positive and abundant mindset. Gratitude, the magnet for miracles. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to abundance. When you're grateful for what you have, you attract more to be grateful for. Start a gratitude journal. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a sunny day or a delicious meal. Expressing gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. It opens your heart to receive more blessings. Make gratitude a habit. The more you practice it, the more abundance you'll attract into your life. Your journey to abundance begins now. Attracting abundance and prosperity is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, consistent changes in your thoughts and actions. Start by incorporating the tips and techniques we've discussed into your daily life. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. Remember, the universe is conspiring to give you what you desire. Stay positive, believe in yourself, and never give up on your dreams. You are worthy of abundance. Embrace it and watch your life transform. Sweet dreams of prosperity. As you drift off to sleep tonight, visualize yourself living your dream life. See yourself surrounded by abundance in all areas of your life. Feel the joy, gratitude, and love that come with living an abundant life. Believe that it's possible and trust that the universe is working in your favor. Sweet dreams of prosperity.